So how to take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. So it's very easy. You just press the power button plus the volume down button at the same time. It's a short press, not long press, just like this. And you took a screenshot right here. And to see your screenshot, you just go to your gallery. And then you go down to album right here. And then there's a screenshot folder. And then tap on that and you have your screenshot. So it's a short press. If you hold the power button and the volume down button too long, it's going to show a power options to restart the phone. So you want a short press on the power button and volume down button to take a screenshot. Another way to take screenshot is to move the edge of your hand from left to right or right to left. Just like this, but be sure your edge of your hand is touching the screen when you're doing from right to left or left to right. So it's going to save the screenshot in the gallery. So you go to gallery and go down to the album and then screenshot. It's right here. So now I'm going to show you how to take a long screenshot of a page. Short press on the power and the volume down button, just like this. Then you're going to see a toolbar at the bottom right here and the tap on the arrow. And it's going to keep taking more screenshots into a long screenshot. It's going to keep adding the screenshots. So this is very convenient if you don't want to take multiple screenshots. And it's gonna have the whole page as one screenshot. Just go to gallery, album, and it's gonna be saved in the screenshot just like the other screenshots. And as you can see, this is a one long screenshot. Very convenient. You can also take screenshot with the S Pen. So you have S Pen, you just take it out. Every time you take it out, it's gonna pop up a menu just like this. When you take it out, it's gonna pop a menu. And to take screenshot, you want to select screen right on the menu. So when you tap on it, it's going to take a screenshot and then you can edit and write notes on it. You can draw on it. So this is very useful if you want to make notes to someone. And then there's an option at the bottom where you can erase and you can save it like this. And if you go to gallery, album, and then screenshot, you're going to be able to see the screenshot that you took with the S Pen right here, just like that. So now let me show you how to take screenshot with the S Pen when you're on a page, when you're not taking out your S Pen. You have a menu on the right side right here. There's a bubble icon that is a pen. Just tap on it and then just select screen right. It's going to take a screenshot of that page where you're on and you can start, drawing. You can start writing notes and you can save it to your gallery. You go to gallery. It's going to be saved under, your album and screenshot. So you can take screenshot with the S Pen if you have one. Another way is you can take screenshot with voice command. Hey Bixby, take a screenshot. And just like that, it took a screenshot. And so you can use Google Voice as well. Hey Google, take a screenshot as well. And all screenshot will be saved under the same album and screenshot. So this is another way to take screenshot with voice command. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.